So do you remember the difference between like progressive travelling wave, standing or stationary wave? Make sure student, now your responsibility, you need to remember. So this is Syed Rashid, and you are watching like intermediate second year physics from Ahmedabad High School and Junior College Kotla Alija, Hyderabad. Welcome to my class, and this topic is coming to the part, it might ask you in examination also, like difference between transfer waves and longitudinal waves. As you know that student, from waves chapter we will get only one question, okay, that too for 8 marks. We will get only one question of 8 marks. So what it is, sometime what he will do means, this he is making the parts like A, B, C. So in A, B he might ask you some short questions, and in C he will going to put some problem. If you attempt these 3 answers, then only you will get 8 marks. So you need to be alert while you are dealing with the chapters like waves, because this is one of the 3 chapters consist of 8 marks question. Wave is one of the 3 chapters which deals with the 8 marks question. So now we are going to learn something about the difference between longitudinal waves and transfer waves. Before that, I would like to say something about representation of waves. What waves represent? Make sure student, you need to remember 2 things. What is the waves represent means? The 2 things is nothing but, one is it transfers energy. That means waves is nothing but it transfers energy, and second thing, it's create disturbance. These 2 things waves what do represent, that is wave represent mainly these 2 things. So you need to remember what waves represent means. It mainly transfer of energy, like you can say that energy is nothing but from one point to another point, okay. And what about the term like creating disturbance means, it is creating disturbance in the particles of matter, like it is creating the disturbance. These 2 things waves represent for. Now we will going to learn something about transfer waves. The spelling of transfer waves, as you can see, TRANSVERS. This is nothing but VERSE. TRANSVERSE. Transfer waves we will going to learn something, and we will going to learn related to the longitudinal, LONG. You can remember this term easily like LONG, long, okay, but longitude, TU, okay, DINAL, longitudinal wave, these things. So for learning the transfer waves and longitudinal waves, I will just read something related to first transfer waves, then we will going to read something about longitudinal waves. After that we have explanation, okay. Reading the definition of transfer waves first. Transfer waves, it can be defined as the wave motion in which the particle of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of wave. So what I read, क्या पढ़ लिए कि क्या नहीं की सर, okay, क्या पढ़ लिए कि क्या नहीं की नहीं, I will explain you in something this definition. As you can see that transfer waves, okay, transfer wave is nothing but it is defined as the wave motion in which particles of medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. As you can see student, this is nothing but a proportion, okay, that is how the waves want to travel. This is nothing but the direction of the waves, and this is nothing but, that means the direction are in this way, straight wave, as you can see. But what happened to the direction of the particle is in this waves, particle is here, so here particle and wave moving this side. So that's why we have defined this as it like the particle of medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. That means the vibration perpendicular to the direction of the motion. So this is transfer waves. Proportion of waves along a stretched string. A string fixed at one end is moved up and down from the free end as shown in the figure. Such repeated movement produce a periodic wave. The particle of the string vibrate about their mean position perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. Now I will going to place one diagram on your screen, okay. So as you can see the diagram, this for this instant of time you will just get the diagram and your screen and you will get my voice. Okay, for few seconds I might not appear to you on screen. So you can see the diagram. So on diagram you can see that on really left of you, like vertical movement of hand, we are just stretched one string. Okay, after that we are moving. You can see the movement or vibration of particle. So how the particles is vibrate? It is vibrate directly the perpendicular to the propagation of wave. As you can say that wave is going to straight, but particle wants to go upside. So we can say two direction we can here determine, like that waves want to goes like x-axis side and particle wants to go like y-axis side. So this is nothing but the how the particles is moving. It is showing on the diagram. Now the wave produced in the, now I will going to give you some example related to the like transfer waves. Transfer waves के मैं कुछ example दूंगा आपको. The waves produced in the string of musical instruments when plugged. देखिए जब आप म्यूजिकल कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स देखे होंगे जैसा गिटार, प्लूटो वगैरह रहता है, उसको जब आप यानी कि उसके स्ट्रिंग को हिलाओगे तो उसके अंदर जो प्रोपोगेशन होता वो एक एग्जाम्पल है ट्रांसफर वेव्स के प्रोपोगेशन का. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इस, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि वाटर है, आप वाटर के ऊपर स्टोन डाल दीजिए. जैसे ही आप वाटर पे स्टोन डाल देंगे लाइक रिपल्स जैसा बनता होने, गोल घेरे घेरे के जैसा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द ट्रांसफर वेव्स. सो दिस इज समथिंग अबाउट अवर ट्रांसफर वेव्स. नाउ वी विल गोइंग टू लर्न about the longitudinal waves. So student, I will place one answer related to the transfer waves with the diagram on your screen. You need to just copy this answer and do remember. Okay. Now what are longitudinal waves? Give illustration example of such waves. यानी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स किसे कहते हैं, उसका जो है आप एग्जाम्पल्स दीजिए बोला. नाउ डेफिनेशन, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स इट कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द वेव मोशन इन विच द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मीडियम वाइब्रेट अलॉन्ग द सेम लाइन एज देयर प्रोपोगेट ऑफ द वेव. नाउ अब इसका मतलब देखिए, अब ये लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स होते कैसे हैं मालूम स्टूडेंट. इसका मैं एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेता हूँ आपको, शायद हम छोटे रहने खेले होंगे. एक स्प्रिंग है, स्प्रिंग को कुछ इस तरीके से करिए. लेट अस कंसिडर दिस इज एन स्प्रिंग. ठीक है, इसको आप कुछ इस तरीके से करिए तो इस तरीके से जो वेव्स बन जाएंगे इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स बनेंगे. लेकिन एक और चीज़ आपने स्टूडेंट गौर की होगी, इसमें ये जो हिस्सा है इसका छोटा है, फिर ये भी इसका यानी कंप्रेस है, और ये जो है थोड़ा यानी कि एक्सपैंड है. एक कंप्रेस है, एक एक्सपैंड है. तो यहाँ पे मैं आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते एक बात ये चला दूँ, ये जो कंप्रेस हिस्सा है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, कंप्रेशन कहते हैं. ठीक है, COMPRESSION. दिस पार्ट इज नथिंग बट कंप्रेशन. वेरएज जो आपका ये पार्ट है जो एक्सपेंडेड दिख रहा है इसको हम बोलेंगे रेयर फ्रैक्शन. इसकी स्पेलिंग भी बहुत आसान है, आपको रिमेंबर करनी है, RARE. रेयर, दिस इज वेरी रेयर, यू कैन रिमेंबर RARE. फ्रैक्शन FACTION, रेयर फ्रैक्शन. बाज़ वक़्त हमारे प्रोनाउंसिएशन में रेयर फ्रैक्शन भी निकल जाता, तो थोड़ा सा आप इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट कीजिए. तो कंप्रेशन COMPRESSION कोई भी बोल लेता, रेयर फ्रैक्शन कभी ऐसा प्रोनाउंसिएशन. तो अब ये हो गया आपका लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वे. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वे में आप देख सकते जो भी पार्टिकल्स हैं उसके, ठीक है, जो पार्टिकल्स का जो डायरेक्शन है, जिस तरीके से वो प्रोपोगेट हो रहा वही डायरेक्शन में वो आगे भी बढ़ जा रहा. जैसा कि आप ट्रांसफर वेव्स में देख रहे थे कि वेव्स इधर साइड आगे स्ट्रेट इधर आगे बढ़ना चाह रही थी, लेकिन उसके जो पार्टिकल्स हैं उससे परपेंडिकुलर रह रहे थे. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, पार्टिकल्स एंड प्रोपोगेशन बोथ आर इन सेम डायरेक्शन. ओके, द मोस्ट क्लियर एंड प्रैक्टिकल इलिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव वी कैन डू यूजिंग अ टॉय स्प्रिंग. एक टॉय की स्प्रिंग आप चेक कर सकते हैं. कुछ इस तरीके से आप उसको पुल एंड पुश करिए तो आपको लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव्स का किस तरीके से प्रोपोगेट होता है वो समझने आ सकता है. इसको जी ऑलरेडी मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, आप देख सकते हैं बोर्ड पे. नाउ दिस इज longitudinal wave. Now could you give few examples related to the longitudinal waves? I am expecting few examples, student, from you related to the longitudinal waves. Make sure you already learn these things in your 9th class physics. So I will only give you the example. Our sound waves is nothing but a longitudinal waves. जो हमारे पास sound waves रहते वो हमारे पास वो longitudinal waves होते. So hope you understand related between transfer waves and longitudinal waves. Just I am placing answer of longitudinal waves also on your screen. You can go through, you can copy and you can remember. Now coming to the difference, what difference do you notice, student, from the longitudinal wave and transfer waves? By the help of the answers only we can say that in transfer waves the direction of the particle and the propagation of waves is different. That means the direction of particle is straight, propagation of waves is straight, whereas the particles is perpendicular to it. And second thing is in this one difference. And the second thing is in longitudinal wave we have like direction of the particle as well as propagation of waves is same. So the example of transfer waves you can take it as this. Just I said that the vibration of the Pluto or the vibration of the guitar is nothing but transfer waves, whereas the example for longitudinal waves is our sound is travel like longitudinal waves. And I will tell you this is somewhat the difference between transfer waves and longitudinal waves. If you want, you can prepare your own answer transfer waves, and with the help of the answer which I already placed on your screen, that is the answer of longitudinal wave and the answer of transfer waves. So this is all about the thing related to our transfer waves and longitudinal waves. Thank you.